Hi, I'm Al Greenwood. I'm here at AFPM with Rob Benedict, the Vice President of Petrochemicals and Midstream. Rob, since the Russian invasion, can you talk about the administration? Have they become more supportive of energy since the invasion, energy production?
It's been an interesting kind of exercise to watch. You kind of see on one hand, it's Zero Week just last week, the Jennifer Granholm calling for more production, and you also saw the president over in Europe talk about LNG imports and increasing those, but at the same time, in the same breath, he's talking about decreasing supply. And then you match that with some of the policies going on in Washington, D.C., it's a bit of a kind of a mixed bag, and there's a lot of confusion on what the actual message is right now.
Okay, and about pipelines, since we last talked during the previous AFPM in October, has it become easier to get pipelines permitted? Has it become easier to get them developed?
The easy answer on that one is definitely not. It's only been a couple months, but we have seen some movement on different policies, and I think those policies actually make it potentially harder to build infrastructure and permit infrastructure. And that's not just pipelines, that's renewable infrastructure. We're seeing a revamp of a rule put out a year ago, rescinding a lot of permit streamlining at the Council for Environmental Quality. And we're also seeing kind of some mixed message and back and forth from the Federal Energy Regulatory Commission on their policies of approving pipelines. It takes about 6 years to permit a project, and when we need more domestic production now more than ever, it's not getting any easier to build a pipeline.
Okay, and finally, the Surface Transportation Board just held hearings about reciprocal switching for railroads. What's the outlook of the industry seeing the Surface Transportation Board making it easier for customers, for petrochemical companies to request reciprocal switching from railroads?
Yeah, that's a great question. And first and foremost, I would say the AFPM is strongly supportive of anything that's going to put much needed competition back in the rail system. Almost 3/4 of our members are captive to a single railroad, and that comes with that kind of a lot of challenges with services and also potentially elevated rates. So we're very encouraged by the STB's hearing they had. Listening to the hearing, it seems there is an open mind to move forward with the rulemaking. We strongly urge them in our comments to move forward, and we're hopeful for the first time in a long time that we might see some light at the end of the tunnel for this rulemaking.
Great, well, fantastic. Rob, it was great seeing you again at AFPM.
Thanks.
All right, thank you.